Hello, we are Bojan and Barja from Slovenia.
We are coming to Porto to the International String Teachers Conference, and we invite you to join our tune learning sessions. We put lots of efforts in our lives to make violin teachers' life easier when we have to choose the tunes for our students, especially when we are talking about learning by ear. So we would like to help you to choose tunes which you can add as an addition to learning from scores, to add some folk tunes that children learn by ear. You're welcome to learn some tunes with us at the afternoon sessions and then join the jam sessions in the evening. And that's how you can have some repertoire that you will teach also your students. We created an online database as well. You can read about it in the description. Welcome to join, but we will be there to answer all your questions and to have some beautiful time together. See you in Porto.